Here at CastExpo in Atlanta. This is the newcomer of the year for 2019. It's a Bogie Crossmember, manufactured by Consolidated Metco in Vancouver, Washington. The material is A356 aluminum. The process is permanent mold. The weight is 34 pounds. Dimensions are 33 1/4 by 13 1/2 by 19.6 inches. The application is on highway semi-trucks. The customer is PACCAR. Originally a 5-piece aluminum extrusion assembly with 16 bolted joints, the Crossmember supports frame loads and the trailer weight under the 5th wheel. This area of chassis had not been cast before, but the foundry's casting process parameters and a smart structural casting design made the conversion a possibility. The switch to a casting reduced the weight by 15 pounds, saved $10 per part, and eliminated a significant amount of assembly time. The component passed all targets for stiffness and strength. In production now, a custom casting device used by the foundry enabled thin walls and holes to be cast.